Mathematics has a lot to say about a lot of the questions that we face, a lot of the urgent challenges, and it's really fun to see students, sometimes for the first time, feel like they understand what the mathematics is for and how it's useful, and that can be really powerful. My name is Jeff Barton, and I teach mathematics. I have a particular fondness for introducing students that have perhaps not had a lot of positive experiences with math and providing an enjoyable, enriching experience for those students. My research a few years ago took kind of a surprising turn for me. I went to a workshop for math educators and learned about some of the issues that sort of complicate the measuring of gerrymandering in district maps. And since then, my work has sort of moved more in that direction. That's pretty much what I study now, is the mathematics of gerrymandering, ways of measuring partisan fairness. I managed to convince 5 students from my first semester courses to form kind of a group independent study this spring where they're working on some mathematics of gerrymandering work. A pair of students in that independent study decided that they would make an educational gerrymandering video game where people can learn about how gerrymandering works and learn about some of the ways of measuring it. They're including a sort of moral component to it as well that I think is going to be really interesting. I've learned that Hampshire students are really curious. They enjoy thinking about interesting problems, and they enjoy talking about interesting problems.